Nicht, aber Hare Krishna, welcome to today's Mercy Blast. And we again recite together Sri Nrsimha Kavacha Stotram. I shall now recite the Nrsimha Kavacha, which was spoken by Prahlad Maharaj long ago. It is very auspicious, removes all kinds of obstacles, and awards all protection. This Kavacha bestows all opulence and affords one the opportunity of residing in the heavenly planets or attaining liberation. One should meditate on Lord Nrsimha, the master of the demigods, as he is seated upon a golden throne. His mouth is open wide, he has 3 eyes, and he is as bright as the autumn moon. He is embraced by Lakshmi Devi, who is standing to his left. He is the shelter of all material and spiritual opulences. Lord Nrsimhadev has 4 arms, and his limbs are very soft. He is adorned with golden earrings. His chest is resplendent like a lotus flower, and his arms are decorated with jeweled ornaments. Lord Nrsimha is dressed in spotless yellow garments that resemble molten gold. He is the original cause of the creation, which is ruled over by the demigods, headed by Indra. He is decorated with brightly sparkling gems, such as rubies. His lotus feet are enchanting, and he holds various weapons, headed by the conch and chakra. Garuda offers him prayers with great reverence. After seating Lord Nrsimha upon the lotus feet of one's heart, one should chant the following mantra. May Lord Nrsimha, who protects all the planets of the universe, kindly protect my head. Although Lord Nrsimha is all-pervading, he hid himself within a pillar. May he protect my speech and the results of my activities. May Lord Nrsimha, whose eyes are the sun and fire, kindly protect my eyes. May Lord Nrsimha, who is pleased by the prayers offered by the foremost sages, protect my memory. May the Lord, who has the nose of a lion, protect my nose. And may he, whose mouth is very dear to Lakshmi, protect my mouth. May Lord Nrsimha, who is the master of all branches of knowledge, please protect my tongue. May he whose face is enchanting as the full moon and who is glorified by the prayers of Prahlad Maharaj protect my face. May Lord Nrsimha protect my throat. He is the maintainer of the earth and the performer of unlimitedly wonderful activities. May the Lord protect my shoulders. His arms are resplendent with transcendental weapons. May he protect my arms. May Lord Nrsimha, who awards benedictions to the demigods, protect my hands, and may he protect me on all sides. May Lord Nrsimha, who is attained by perfect yogis, protect my heart, and may Lord Hari protect my residence. May Lord Nrsimha, who tore apart the abdomen of the demon Hiranyakashipu, protect my waist. May Lord Nrihari protect my navel. He is glorified by the prayers of Brahma, who was born from his navel. May Lord Nrsimha, upon whose hips rest all the universes, protect my hips. May the Lord protect my private parts. He is the knower of all mantras and all confidential subjects, and yet he is not visible. May Lord Nrsimha, who is the original Cupid, protect my thighs. May the Lord, who assumes a human-like form, protect my knees. May the Lord, who sustains the universe on his hood and who appears as the half-man, half-lion incarnation, kindly protect my calves. May the bestower of heavenly opulence, who is the supreme controller appearing in a combined form of a man and lion, protect my feet. May the thousand-headed Supreme Enjoyer please protect my body from all sides and in all respects. May that famous ferocious personality protect me from the east. May the Lord, who is superior to the greatest heroes, protect me from the southeast, which is presided over by Agni. May Lord Mahavishnu protect me from the south, and may the Supreme Lord of blazing effulgence protect me from the southwest. May Lord Nrsimha, who is all-pervading, protect me from the west. His faces are everywhere, and so may he protect me in all directions. May Lord Nrsimha protect me from the northwest, which is presided over by Vayu. May the Lord, whose form is itself the supreme ornament, protect me from the north, which is presided over by Soma. May the all-auspicious Lord Nrsimha, who awards all kinds of auspiciousness, protect me from the northeast, which is presided over by the sun god. May the Lord, who is death personified, kindly protect me from the fear of material existence and the cycle of repeated birth and death. This Nrsimha Kavacha is most glorious because it has emanated from the mouth of Prahlad Maharaj. A devotee who recites this Kavacha every day will be freed from all sinful reactions. Those who desire good children, wealth, a long duration of life, or anything else, will attain the fulfillment of their desires by reciting this Kavacha. Of this there is no doubt. One who desires victory will become victorious and thus be known as a conqueror. He will easily ward off all bad influences found in the upper, middle, and lower planetary systems. This Kavacha is the perfect remedy to counteract the poisonous effects of snakes and scorpions. It also drives away Brahma Rakshasas, ghosts, and Yakshas. One who writes this auspicious Kavacha on his arm or on a palm leaf and attaches it to his wrist, he will attain perfection in all his activities. One who regularly chants this prayer, whether once or thrice a day, becomes victorious, whether among the demigods, demons, or human beings. One who, with a pure heart, recites this prayer 32,000 times, achieves the most auspicious of all auspicious things. It is to be understood that he has already attained all kinds of material enjoyment and liberation. This Kavacha mantra is the king of all mantras. The benefit one obtains by smearing his body with ashes and chanting all kinds of mantras can be attained simply by reciting this mantra. The fear of all inauspicious planets is at once removed by chanting this mantra 3 times after decorating one's body with tilak and performing achaman. One who recites this mantra while fixing his mind on Lord Nrsimhadev will be cured of all diseases, especially those of the abdomen. Lord Nrsimhadev roars loudly and induces others to roar. With his multitude of arms, he tears apart the demons and effortlessly kills them. He is always seeking out and tormenting the demoniac descendants of deity, both on this earth planet and in the higher planets, scattering them away here and there. He cries with great anger as he destroys the demons in all directions. Yet with his unlimited hands he sustains, protects, and nourishes the entire cosmic manifestation. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the Lord, who has assumed the form of a transcendental lion. Nrisingha kavachang vakshye pralate noditam pura sarvarakshakarang punyam sarvobhadra vanashanam sarvasangpadkarang chaiva svargamoksha pradayakam yatva nrisinghang deveshang hema singhasanastitam Vivritashyam trinayanang sharat indu samabrabham lakshmya lingitavamangang vibhutibhirupashritang chaturbhujam kamalangam sarnakundalashobidam sarocha shobito raksham ratnakeyuramudritam Tapta kanchana sanghashang pita nirmalavasasam indradi suramaulishta spurang manyikadibdibi vachita padatandang shankachakradihetibhi karudmata cha vinayat stuyamanan mudanvitam svahrit kamalasang vasang Kritva tu kavachang patet Nrisingho me shirapatu Lokaraksharta sambhavaha Svaragopi stambhavas Palam me rakshadudvanim Nrisingho me trishapatu Soma suryang gilochanaha Smritam me patu nriharihi Munisvaryastuti priyaha Nasang me singana sastu mukham lakshmi mukha priyaha sarva vidyati papatu risingho rasanang mama vaktram patvindu vadanang sata pralada vandita nisingha patu me khantam skanda bubrit anantakrit divyastra shobita bhuja Risingha patu me bhujaha karo me deva varado Risingha patu sarvataha hridayang yogi sadhyascha nivasam patu me harihi madhyam patu hiranyaksha vaksha kuki vidaranaha nabhim me patu nrihari svanabhi brahma sangstutaha Pramanda kotaya katyang yasya patu me kating kuhyang me patu kuhyanam matranam kuhya rupadrik uru mano bhava patu chanuni nara rupadrik change patu dhara dhara harta yoson rikeshari sura raja brada patu padon lihari vishvara Sahasra Shirsha Purusha Patu me sarvashasthanam Mahokra Purvata Patu Mahaviragra Chognitaha Mahavishnurtakshinetu Mahajvalastu Nairitaha Paschime Patu Sarvesho Dishime Sarvato Mukha Nrisingha Patu Vayavyang Saumyam bhushana vigraha Ishanyam patu padre me sarvamangaladayakaha Sangsara bhayata patu mrityor mrityor nikeshari Idam nrisingha kavacham pralada mukhamandidam Bhaktimanya pate naityang sarva papai pramuchyate Putravan danavan loke Dirghayur upachayate kamayate yam yam kamam tam tam pratnotya sangshayam sarvatra chayam apnoti sarvatra vijayi bhavet bhumyam tariksha divyanam grahanam vinivaranam vrichit khoraka sambhuta vishabaharanam param brahma rakshasa yakshanam Durotsaranakaranam Pujevatalabhatreva Kavacham likidam shubham karamule tritam yena siddhyeyu karma siddhayah devasura manusyeshu svam svam eva chayam labhet ekasandhyam trisandhyam va yapadenniyato naraha sarvamangalamangalyang bhuktim muktim cha vindati dvatringshati sahasrani padeshu tatmanam nrinam kavachasyasya mantrasya mantra siddhi prachayate anena mantra rachena kritva bhasma bhirmantranam tilakam vinsayet yastu tasya graha bhayam haret trivaram chapamanastu tatam varya bimantriya cha prasayet yo naro mantrang nrisingha dhyanamacharet tasya roga pranashyanti ye cha sukukshi sambhavaha karchantam karchayantam nicha puja patalam stud hadantam. No, I don't have it. Yeah, I was reading this. What is missing? What? Garjantam garjayantam nija puja patalam spotayantam hadantam rupyantam tapayantam divu bhuvididyam kshepayantam kshipantam kardantam roshayantam dishi dishi satantam saharanantam parantam vikshantam punayantam karanikara sadai divya singham namami. Haribol!